our city achieved several national and international awards. The economy, the peace and order, fight against terrorism, and war against drugs are all successful.
Tama na, sobra na, pinamalang niyang mali. Tama na, sobra na, buong bansang naapi. Si Digong ay naglingkod lang ng tapat. Si tatay lang ang nagmahal sa aming lahat. Ibalik niyo si Tatay Digong, walang sa